Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to talk about IMX for beginners. It's from Mir Publishers Moscow, a famous Soviet publishing house for scientific, technical and educational books. This is the book, it's a hardcover edition. The author of the book is Y.A.B. Zeldovich and I.M. Yaglom. Zeldovich is a prominent Soviet physicist and Yaglom a respected mathematician and educator. The main subject of IMX for beginners, Zeldovich and Yaglom, is to introduce fundamental concepts of higher mathematics in an accessible, intuitive and logical manner, specifically aimed at motivated high school students or beginning college students. Let's go to the contents. This is the first published in 1987. Teaching notes. Contents. Part 1, Elements of Higher Mathematics. Chapter 1, Functions and Graph. Chapter 2, What is a derivative. And Chapter 3, What is an integral. Chapter 4, Calculation of derivatives. And Chapter 5, Integration Techniques. Chapter 6, Series Simple Differential Equations. Chapter 7, Investigation of Functions and Problems from Geometry. Part 2, IMX applied to problems of physics and engineering. Chapter 8, Radioactive Decay and Nuclear Fission. Chapter 9, Mechanics. Chapter 10, Oscillation. Chapter 11, The Thermal Motion of Molecules. The Distal Button of Air Density in the Atmosphere. Chapter 12, Absorption and Emission of Light Lasers. Chapter 13, Electric Circuits and Oscillatory Phenomena. In part 3, some additional topics. Chapter 14, complex numbers. Chapter 15, functions the physicist needs. Chapter 16, Direct remarkable delta functions. Chapter 17, applying function of a complex variable in the delta functions. Part 1, Elements of high mathematics. Chapter 1, Function and Graphs. 1.1, The Functional Relationships. 1.2, Coordinates, distance and angles expressed in terms of coordinates. Exercises. 1.3, Graphical representation of functions, the equation of the straight line. 1.8, Parametric representation of a curve. Chapter 3 is What is an integral. 3.1, Determining distance from the rate of motion, the area bounded by a curve. Chapter 7, Investigation of Functions, some problems from geometry. 7.1, Smooth maxims and minima. 1.9 area length, the chapter 11 is the thermal motion of molecules, the distribution of air density in the atmosphere. 11.2 the relationship between density and pressure. 11.3 density distribution. In chapter 12 absorption and emission of light lasers. 12.1 absorption of light, statement of the problem and proof estimate. In chapter 13 is electric circuits and oscillatory phenomena in them. 13.1 basic concepts and units of measurement. 13.5 inductance circuit. The part 3 is some additional topics. Chapter 14 complex numbers. And 15.2 the derivative of functions of complex variables. In conclusions, what next? In selected readings, text on higher maths for beginners, advanced text, higher mathematics, additional readings, higher mathematics, and text on physics for beginners, advanced text, physics, appendices, hints, answer and solutions, part 1, chapter 1. So why this book is useful? Regards the gap between school maths and university maths, written by experts who know how to teach, accessible language, deep insights, focus on understanding not memorization, and strong emphasis on problem solving, ideals for self-study, and last one, part of the legendary Mir Publishers legacy. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like me to review more books from Mir Publishers. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.